You probably already know that you can create a public view link in Canva. It's a quick and easy way to share a view-only version of a design with someone else, whether that's a proposal, a presentation, or any other Canva design. And you don't need to be on a pro plan to do this. Anyone using Canva, including free accounts, can use a public view link that doesn't require the recipient to log in. But what you might not realize is that if you're on Canva Pro, you can actually create multiple public view links for the same design. And this gives you a lot more flexibility when it comes to tracking engagement and understanding who's really viewing your content. For example, I occasionally create collaboration proposals using Canva Docs. And once the proposal is ready, I'll share it using a public view link. Because Canva tracks views for each link, this lets me know whether or not the recipient has actually opened and looked through the document. But sometimes I also want to share that same proposal with a team member who helped to put it together. And I don't want their views to muddy the analytics because I'm specifically interested in tracking my potential collaborators' engagement. Because I can utilize multiple share links in Canva, I'm able to create a separate public view link just for my team, which gives me a much clearer picture of what's happening on the collaborator's side. So let me walk you through how to do this. To use this feature, open the design you want to share and click the share button in the top right corner. You're going to skip right over this access permissions area, and what you're looking for is the public view link option. Creating your first public link is available to everyone on both free and paid Canva subscriptions. But if you're on Canva Pro, you'll also see an option to add another link, and each of your public view links will be tracked separately. By default, Canva names these links Public View Link or Public View Link 2, but you can rename them easily. Just click the three dots next to the link and choose Rename. I'd recommend giving each link a clear, descriptive name so you always know which is which. You'll also see a copy link option below each version, which makes it easy to grab and share, and then later on, if a link is no longer needed, you can delete it from that same three-dot menu. If you're using Canva Pro, you can also choose to be notified the first time someone accesses a particular link. Just flip the toggle switch labeled Notify Me When Accessed. This can be especially helpful when you're waiting on a client to review a proposal or you want to know when someone's opened a shared file. Creating a single public view link is probably already part of your Canva workflow, but if you're using Canva Pro, creating multiple links can give you far more control and insight. You'll be able to track your engagement more accurately, test what's working across different platforms, and keep internal and external interactions separate. It's one of those small features that's easy to overlook, but once you start using it, it can really change the way you share and monitor your content. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.